We will do coding after understanding what we have to do first. Components in React. Almost everything in React consists of components which can be class components or simple components. We have to remove the app class from index.js which we have created earlier. We will create a new file called app.js and we will put the removed component in that. We export that component as app so that we could load it in index.js file. It's not mandatory to separate components into file, just we are going to do, but an application will start to get unwieldy and out of hand if you don't separate the component. Okay. Now first thing which we have to do is to just remove this class app component from here so that we could put this in the another app.js file. Okay, now we have removed the app.js component. Now go to your source and just click on here new file and create app.js file, app.js. Now in app.js first import React, then component from React. Then just write the class which you have deleted earlier from index.js. Let's put it here. Now one thing we have to do here is we have to export the default app, this app, so that we could use it in index.js file. So I'm tapping here what export default app and just indent in proper way. Okay, now we have created app component in our source folder. So now just go in index.js file and in index.js file just simply import that app. So import app from ./app. Here's come. Okay, just save it. Okay, why we have removed these all app component in separate file? Because when we have long file, when we have long code, then we could separate that in separate component and we just render that component according to our uses. Okay, thank you. Just see whether it is working or not. So if your server is not started, type here npm start to start the server, then go here in Chrome and just check here whether it is working or not. It is working. Okay, thank you.